What's up, guys? It's the Extreme Dare Bros. I'm Noah, and this is
Jackson.
Today, I don't feel so good.
Oh, my head's hurting.
It's me, Pirate Goat, and this is Goat Baby. Just kidding, it's Cry Baby. Just kidding, it's us. Today we're doing airsoft gun trick shots with these awesome masks. We got them at Sam's Club. All you need is a Sam's Club membership, and then you can get one. Just find it, especially at Halloween time. Then you can get them for a good deal. So, anyways, we're gonna be using these masks because they're almost impossible to see out of using these, and then the eyeball holes, which not even is in the right spot because it's all weird. Yeah. So then, center, you get 100 points. If you hit in this section, it's 10, 10, 10, and 10. From the middle out is 5. From the middle in on the duct tape is 15. Same with this part, but yeah, half, 15, 5, 15, 5. If you hit the very bottom or the very top, it's 0. If you hit the corners, it's 0. If you hit this, it's 50 points, because that's really small, you know. If you hit anywhere in this square, you get 100 points.
If you hit anywhere in this P,
you
get 150.
You get 150. So 50, 150, 3, 15, 3, 15, 10, 5, 15, 5, 15, 10, 10, 10, 10, 50, 150, 100, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Let's go! To decide who goes first, we're going to do rock, paper, scissors. I don't know if you can hear me, so I'm going to yell, okay? Hey, my eyes are up here. Okay, ready, Jackson?
Yeah. Rock,
1, 2, 3, shoot. 1, 2, 3, shoot. 1, 2, 3, shoot. Okay.
Alright, I win.
So Jackson's going to shoot first.
Alright, hold the camera.
The winner of this gets the duct-taped tennis ball of fame. We're running out of daylight very quickly, so we have to hurry. Are you ready, Crybaby?
Yes.
Okay. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. You get 5 shots. 4 more. Ow.
Am I missing?
Yeah, you're missing. See how hard it is? That hit.
1 hit.
You got 1 hit. Let's see.
Can't tell the sound.
See, we got 5 flashlights. Oh, you got 10.
10.
Right there. All right.
Also my
That's it, right? Yeah.
Yep, that's all.
I don't have any more. Yep.
You got my nice flashlight.
That's my turn.
All right. Next up is Andrew Stowe,
What's that?
the lightsaber biker.
I don't know what this is about.
Okay. You're all shine. I'm just gonna set this one up
Is it loaded?
right here, and you shine that one.
You shot pump it back and fire.
You shine that one at the biker, and I'll do this. Andrew, do you care of your flashlight?
Oh wait, that's unfair. Andrew can actually see. Chris can see.
He's a bad aim. You gotta hold your flashlight.
Me?
All parts of your costume must be worn. The rules. You chose to flash out on that costume. All right, first shot.
I can't really aim.
Oh, you hit 1.
Let's see what I hit.
2. All right, Jackson, we'll give you a redo because he can see it better. All right, you're done. Let's go see.
All 5 of them hit.
So excluding this
10,
one.
10. You got 10, 10,
You got
10.
10. You got another 10.
Right there, look right there.
Yeah, we got that one. Oh, that's 15.
That's
He
100.
just missed.
The 100 mark.
He just missed it. That's so sad. He's got another one right there.
That's 15.
All right.
Isn't that 25?
This is just a practice round. Don't forget. So
1,
we'll just
2, 3, 4.
we can call this a warm up because not everybody got a fair chance of being able to shoot with the awesome
But how do you
flashlight.
know what we hit?
Looks
Oh,
kind of
what
like
this?
Christmas time.
Let me reload.
All right. Next up is
That's
Mua.
that's normal round. Because how are we going to know where we hit? Yeah, how are we
That's
going to know where we hit?
We will know when we hit.
Where are
All
we?
right. Now it's my turn. Let's go. How many bullets did you put in it?
5.
Oh, so I can't do like a, what about pop, pop, pop? Okay, I cannot see.
At me. Sure. Is that good?
Gun from the hip. Cannot see. Your flashlight is shining in my face. Okay, here we go.
5.
Oh, I missed that one. That's all. Let's see.
Alright. So this,
One,
and this
two.
were up. So you got a 10. No, stop. Move your thing. 10. 10.
10, 10, 10, 10.
You got 2
And then I
10s.
missed others, so I got 0.
Yeah, 2 10s.
Alright, it's time for the real round. Thank you for playing. No one's warmed up. 2.0. We have officially run out of daylight, so now we are relying completely on our flashlights. Up next is Cry Baby. Give us your cry. Oh yeah, that's how it's said. Well said, baby. Well said. Alright, first shot. It pierced. Pierced. 3, 4. He hit every single one of them.
Okay. So
You
that
got
was a
15.
15. Which one was not hit? Because I know I hit
A 10 and a 10. Those two.
that 20, 30. No. So 30, 45.
There's another one right there.
That was already
Oh,
there.
that one. In the 10 circle.
40, 55.
That's all.
I feel
We've got the famous puppy. Got a puppy over there. Ooh, it smells.
Well, there's Grace back there.
Yes. Your Great Dane, who's very great and big.
Yeah. Damn.
Here it is. Wow, Andrew, you need a scoop back here. Oh shoot, that's huge. Wow, he's big and smelly. He is big and smelly.
God,
Here he
you're
is.
so wild. Dang, that dog's wild.
He's a pit bull. Look at that. Dog's huge. Up next is
Andrew.
the biker.
Biker.
Pierced.
One.
Pierced. Pierced again.
Watch see where that pierced.
Pierced again.
Last one?
Last one.
50 points. That's how we're all the. They were all in this 10 right here.
Oh, he hit 2 15s.
1, 2, 3.
2
No, that-
15s.
No, one of those was mine.
Oh yeah, that one was not yours.
That one?
You got one up there. See, that's a 3.
30?
Okay.
That one?
Yeah, that one.
No, that was already there.
This warm up is off to a great start.
Let's just make it.
This is the official round, remember?
Yeah, I know.
I got 60.
No.
Yes, I did. Because I got two 15s, right? 1, 2, and then just count the rest as all 10s.
That's a 3. No, what's that?
That's a 3.
What's a 3?
Yeah, the tops are 3s and the sides are. What's the name?
18.
All right.
48 points is what he finishes off with.
The official leaderboard is now Jackson 58,
No, 55.
and Jackson 55, Andrew
48.
48, and me haven't gone yet. It's my
know.
turn next. It is my turn. Hitting 3 bullseyes and 2 150s.
My foot.
What happened to your foot? Check it out and shine that light on me. I'm the spotlight, not you.
All
Might
right.
as well get the crybaby.
All right,
Okay,
put
here
on
we
the
go.
mask. Just
Can you
put
like
down the
not
mask.
shine that at my face? Like
Alright,
the
I will
people?
shine
Stop! I can't see.
it. I'm shining it at the target.
Okay, here we go.
Next round, as we said, is a
Hey,
plastic
stop
red.
cheating, Noah.
He has 5 more shots because the last one didn't count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Check. All right.
So these 2 were not
No,
permitted. Oh, I hit 1.
No, these 2 were not.
These
No,
3
these
were
2.
not permitted.
So 15,
I got a 15,
3.
10.
This is a 3. So 18.
No, that's a 10. See, there's
18.
the line.
No, that's a 3.
No, these are 5s. And those are 3s.
All right, whatever.
So that's 15,
30,
30.
40.
No, that's 15, What's
That's 30, 40,
10.
50.
50,
You got
30,
50. And then
40.
I heard you missed the
Wait,
fourth one.
1, 2, 3, 4.
And you missed the last one.
Yeah.
Therefore, I'm in
So
the
10,
lead.
20, 35, 35,
Stop missing the
50.
last one.
So it's 50, 55, 48. I'm in
Alright.
second place. Booyah.
I'm in first,
That's
though,
not-
boys.
That's not a hit.
Now then, time for
It's
the...
time for the ultimate challenge, the flashing blinker, blinker, blinker! Can you shine that flashlight away so it looks cool? Thank you. This one will be determined on skill. There will be no lights but this red one and no masks, because this is completely dark out now.
Well,
All
this
you
battery's
have
dead.
is this
so-
flashing light. Up first is Andrew. Andrew, you don't have to have your mask.
Alright, I
So
get up
let's turn
first.
off that flash in 3, 2, 0!
Can't see you in here.
Ultimate challenge.
I legit can't even see you on here. No.
Loaded.
Watch. Yeah, no.
Well, we're gonna have to like use this mask to cover up the target because you can still sort of see it from that street lamp. Stupid street lamp! Trying to make a YouTube video here. So we're gonna have one person over here holding this baby face. Okay, this is harder than I thought.
No, go forward.
It's gonna be hard to hit. Alright, let me see the flashing red light. I'm going to go put this up.
No, we're standing back here to shoot it. Here, actually,
No, I'm going first, like always.
Jackson, put the target against your wall.
No, that's good. Keep it like that.
We'll put it.
No,
keep
no,
it
keep
in
it.
the dark. Now it's in the dark.
Whatever. Put the flashing flash.
Put 10 in it. Put 10.
Alright, guys. We'll be back once we have this all set up.
The board is all set up and it is pitch black out here. This is the board so far. If you hit anywhere on the board, you get 100. Is that what we agreed on? You get 100. Anywhere on that board, you get 100. If you hit the 50 spot, you get 200. And if you hit... No, remember we upped it a lot. If you get 50, you get 200 because that's really small and we're really far away. If you get the 150, you get 450 points. So the minimum, like if you hit all the spots but you don't hit the middle or if you don't hit the two targets, you can at least get 500 points.
No, it's 600 if you hit the 10.
If you hit anywhere on the board, you get 100 points. Okay, Jackson is going first. Jackson, step into the light so we see you. And do like a cool pose. The crybaby has been on. Keep going. I can't see you. Now bend down a little bit so I can see your face. Keep going. Keep going.
Okay.
All the way right. I can't see you. Never mind. You can stand up.
Alright, whatever.
The baby has been unmasked, but because we don't want you to see his face, we covered his face. Target's over there. We'll be over here. So if it doesn't hit, all we hear is pink. But if it does hit, we hear pa. Okay, you get 5 shots once again. In 3, 2, 1. He hit. He hit. He hit. He hit. One more. Oh, he missed his last
Wait,
one.
what?
Did it fire? Yeah, it fired.
No, it didn't.
I heard.
It's one of the malfunctions where it doesn't fire, but it comes loose.
Jackson, I heard it.
No, that's it.
Let's see where he hit. 100,
200.
200,
300.
300, There should be one more.
Yeah.
400.
Where?
Right.
And then I had to get one of the
Yeah.
stupid malfunctions.
100, 200. That one's still in
Where's
there.
that one?
Yeah, that's 200. Then 300, 400.
I
then
would
you got
have
a
hit, but it was
malfunction.
one of the malfunctions.
Look at that target. That
Wait,
is
should I-
amazing.
Can I get another hit because it was a malfunction?
Yeah, you get one more hit.
Wait, it wasn't a
I get one more-
malfunction.
Yes, it was. It
Wait,
didn't
look, look.
shoot.
Yeah, it did shoot.
It fell out of the gun afterwards.
Wait, how
Jackson gets one more shot because he had a malfunction.
He didn't have a malfunction.
So we're turning it right back on again. Exact same spot. It's all lit up. If I were you, I'd aim for near the bottom because that's where it's lit up. Hey, scoot up, scoot back. Aim for the bottom.
What's there?
Yeah, right there.
Stupid.
Okay, you've got one shot in 3, 2, 1, shoot. It hit 500. We'll see if it hits any of the special spots. I don't feel nothing.
Just
You feel nothing? Oh, it's right here.
Oh, man.
All right. So Jackson now has 555 triple fives. That gives him an extra 5 points because he got triple fives. So 5. Now he's got 560. No more fives.
560.
Up next is Andrew Stowe.
560. Alright, wait, hold up. I gotta go reload the gun.
It's only 500, okay?
Andrew can get 400. You will get an extra 4 points. Dude, this is like a chair. I'm literally sitting. It is a target. I am sitting in a chair.
560 for Jackson.
He's got 560. He got an extra 5 points because he got triple fives. That's how this game.
How did he get 560 with an extra 5 points? That doesn't make sense. This is right.
He had 555. Plus 5 is.
How did he get 55? Because he only got 5.
He started in the beginning of the round. He had 55 points. Then he got 500 for hitting all 5. Then he got an extra 5 points because his total score was 555. So then plus
okay.
that is 560. Whoa, good job, again. Hey, how'd you get that light back on? Oh, it's that one. The target is about to be set up 2 more times. Andrew, it is now your turn.
Can you set that up again?
We're gonna load 6. Load 6, Jackson, in case there's a dud again. Okay, flash is turned back off again. The target is being set up. Up next is the biker, who we cannot unveil once again. Well, I guess we will anyways. It's Andrew Stowe. Just letting you know, guys. I mean... scoot back, man. Just because you're younger doesn't mean you get
Back
extra
a little more. I was at the
You're at the end.
The dark.
Right there.
Right there.
All right, he's shooting his first shot in 3, 2, 1. Hit 100. 200. 300. Oh.
Oh, that hurt.
Ha, you got hit. Last,
That's an extra 400.
last shot.
Nope.
Ow! Oh, karma.
Did that actually hit you?
Yes. So he's got
You get
300 points.
300 points because we know he hit.
He did not hit any special spots.
Oh, wait, if you haven't seen that.
He didn't hit any special spots. I felt it.
Nope. Alright.
He
All
has-
I know is he hit 3.
He now has 348.
All at the top.
But I hit you guys both.
That doesn't count. That means you get punched.
Hey, no.
He got 348 as his final score. But because he's got 3, 4, and then another, and plus an extra 4 is 8. 3, 4, 8 is his final score. We're giving him a bonus of 5 points.
Get over there.
I'm just going to give everybody 5 points just because I want to. So now he has...
Alright, he led. So,
He
quick
now
count.
has 353.
Quick
All we have
check
to
on the
do-
score.
Quick check on this score. It is now 560 Jackson. 350...
48 Andrew.
No, he got 48 for 50. 353. No. wait.
52.
300. And I knew that. 352 Andrew. And
Now Noah.
50 me.
The Viking Llama's pirate dude is now be going, which we
the
will unveil as he is Noah Headley. Yes, it should be loaded with all 5.
Okay.
It's planned with no duds, so we just gotta hope that there's no duds in here. All right.
Here I go. Doing this for you, Mom. Oh shoot, I better check him soon. You have to hurt my name. Better hurry. Okay. 100. 200. Is that a dud? It didn't hit anything. Dude, you didn't load them all. It's empty.
Wait,
You only loaded 2 bullets.
I loaded 10 though.
Alright, so I need 3 more shots. I now have 250. All I need is 2 more hits. No. Yeah, all I need is 2 more. Actually, I need 1 more hit because I still get the bonus 5 for playing. Everybody gets plus 5 points for playing the game. But only one person will get the golden or slash duct taped tennis ball.
Right?
The winner gets a
Bragging rights.
pat on the back. Okay, I need. Ooh, is that a snake? Mommy? Oh, wait.
Oh, I know. That was on. Here we go.
Alright, here we go. All I need is, what's it called? 3, one more.
You need 3 more hits to just about tie with me.
No, I can't tie with you. You've already won. You've won first.
How did I get that 60 though? Oh no.
Another dead. It's empty again. I
How?
don't know.
Are these things like popping out or
I
something?
now have 300. I think
go.
so. So 2 more bullets. Oh my gosh, Jackson, you need to count how many you put in there.
I'm counting the exact number. Are they
I turned on the flashlight, and it turns out they were bouncing. So now we should be good to go. Load me.
Five! Make your last 2 shots in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Fire in the hole!
Don't rush me.
Okay. Nice
400. 500.
Nice!
Let's go see. First, we're gonna check these spots. Nobody hit those. I now have 552. Now, plus 5 points. 557. 3 points from Jackson.
No.
Me and Jackson.
58.
Ah! Stranger danger!
There's 58 that you should have. You got 53.
I now have
Oh, whatever.
558. Thank you, folks, for watching this video. Please subscribe and comment what you want to see
And
next.
Jackson is the best, by the way.
Jackson is equal to Noah, but Andrew's the worst. We just gotta
Yeah.
say that. Me
Alright.
and Jackson are the best.
Alright.
We'll see you next time. Now we gotta clean up this mess.
Alright,
in the
bye
dark.
guys. Bye guys.
Thank you for watching this video. I'm Noah and this is Jackson. Welcome. This is our YouTube channel. So if you don't already know, we do awesome videos and all you have to do is subscribe and comment what you want our video to look like. Then we will do that. Like, for example, if you want to see us trick-or-treating in March, we will do that, which we already have done, so don't comment that. Or if you want us to go,
But we haven't uploaded it because it got messed up.
if you want to see us
My brother messed
exploring an abandoned shack, we will do that, which we already did. We haven't uploaded it yet. Procrastinator Nation!
We have. I mean, if you want us to go explore the sewer tunnels right over there, which we
will
already
do that.
have.
We have, but we haven't recorded it. We will do that. So all you have to do is subscribe and comment, and we will see whoever's first comment on this video will get to choose what our video will be. We are the Extreme Dare Bros. Our flashlights run out in the middle of the videos, so we have to buy more ones. He needs more money. Donate to his charity. Jackson needs more money for his Xbox.com. It's not a real channel or video.
Or company thingy, the cheeky.
He doesn't know that. So go ahead, donate to him. Well, we're the Extreme Dare Bros. I'm Jackson, and this is
Noah.
signing off for now. We'll see ya. Goodbye. From the goat and the crybaby. Jackson, I wasn't finished. Hey, you're so mean.